Now we're going to go through your tango. Remember, nice soft knees and tango feet every time you close. So, starting with the left foot, we're going to dance 1, 2, quick, quick, close. Back right, 1, 2, quick, quick, close. We start to turn, quick, quick, slow. Back, side, forward, quick, quick, slow. Back, side, close. We now dance the rock turn, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. We do our flickable changes, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, close. Ronde the right leg, slow, slow, twist turn, slow and a head flick and slow. Okay, now we're going to try it with music. Feet together. Left foot ready, arms go up, after 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, slow, slow, quick, quick, close, slow, slow, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, close, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, close, slow, slow, slow and slow.